This tutorial is about navigating the top bar of the Academy. You'll see there's several different items here. In the upper left, we have what's called a hamburger, and that brings a drop-down menu. And in here, we have several different options that we can sort through as we go through the tutorials. The next one is our Sealed Air logo. That's always the home button. That will take you back to your landing page. The next one is the post icon. In the post icon, we have three different options. We can post a question. We can upload a link to it and share a link from somewhere else on the web. And we can also post an article. All three of these have different functions. The links basically will pull in a link from another web page, and the article is a WYSIWYG, what we call a WYSIWYG editor, where you can actually format an article in a certain format to work for you. Now we have that, but we also have what we call the record or screencast. I can't demonstrate that here because I'm actually using the screencast to record my screen. There'll be another tutorial on how to specifically utilize that. In the upload function, you'll see here that it allows us to pretty much upload any file. We have a couple of ways to do that. One is to open up Windows Explorer and just basically grab the file and drop it right here inside this green box. And then the second one is to actually choose a file and navigate through the system. Each one of these, in a future tutorial, you'll see how to upload content. Every time you add content, whether you're posting it, recording it, or uploading it, you'll need to pick which community it goes into and drop it into that community. Remember, everything that you contribute to the site as far as content goes is visible to everyone within that community that you've posted it in. There is no, if someone is not a member of the community, they can't see it, but there are no privacy settings to set it so that a single user can see the content. The second thing I want to share is actually this search box at the top. You can search literally for anything on the site, including people if you wanted to. So if I just happen to type my name here, it's going to first give me all results as it relates to my name, but I can also pull up and filter for people. And then I'll be able to click on that. When you click on a person's profile, you'll be able to see everything that they've contributed and some of their basic activity around the site. Now, if I don't want to look up a person, but I want to get to a community, but I can't seem to remember how to get there, I can start typing the community name, or at least part of it if I want to. And again, once it loads, it's telling me all this different stuff, but I want communities only. I don't want to see all that content. There's what I'm looking for right there, and I can go straight into the community. You can also search by topics. If the content you've loaded in the past or someone has loaded is tagged, then those tag references will show the most relevant content related to that. Finally, here's the favorite button right here. So if I want to see which different pieces I favorited, so I can either favorite a community or I can favorite a piece of content or anything like that, or I can go back and look at all the different things that I've looked at recently. The last one is my notification bar here, and in this, it'll tell me all the different things I've been notified of. So I've been told that someone wants to be my direct report. I've got a video that I uploaded. It's telling me that it's ready and so forth, and then I can click View All to see the larger list. Finally, this is the same way to get, just like I search for my name at the top, but my own profile, so I can actually click on that and look at my profile, look at my content, what I've done, events and courses, certificates, and I can even look at the different communities that I'm a member of from this point if I don't want to search for them in the top box. So there's 100 ways to get everywhere on this site, so that's pretty much a walkthrough of the top bar.